Do you know something amazing? Once you upload a book on Amazon KDP, that single book can generate income for you month after month. In today's digital world, publishing a book is no longer difficult. Earlier, an author had to visit publishers, submit manuscripts, wait for approval, and then maybe the book would be published. But now, things have completely changed. Amazon KDP has transformed the entire publishing system. With just a few simple steps, you can publish your own book, and readers from anywhere in the world can buy it. And the best part, you don't have to spend any money to publish it. In this video, we will understand in very simple language what is Amazon KDP, how does it work, how can you earn money from it, and why has it become one of the most popular online earning platforms today. So first, what is Amazon KDP? KDP means Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon KDP is a free publishing platform by Amazon where you can publish your own books. No publisher, simple approval, and no extra cost. The biggest thing is you can publish three types of books on KDP: Kindle ebooks, printed books, and audio books. That means whether you write stories, novels, journals, notebooks, guides, coloring books, planners, or any type of book, you can upload everything on Amazon KDP. Once your book goes live, Amazon automatically makes it available to readers all over the world. And the biggest advantage, you earn money every time your book sells. But you don't have to spend a single dollar for printing or inventory. Now, how does Amazon KDP work step by step? Publishing a book on KDP is very simple. If you follow some steps, you can publish your first book within a few hours. Step 1. Write or create your book. The first step is creating your book. You can upload your own written story or non-fiction book. Or you can create simple books like notebooks, diaries, journals, coloring books, activity books, planners. For beginners, low-content books like notebooks or journals are usually easier to start with. Step 2. Design the book cover. A book's success on Amazon depends heavily on how attractive the cover looks. You can use Canva, Photoshop, Illustrator to design the cover. But make sure your design looks professional and appealing. While designing the cover, keep these things in mind, such as use colors that match your book's niche. The title must be clear and easy to read. The design should be look clean and professional. A good cover can significantly increase your chances of getting sales. Step 3. Create your KDP account. Creating an Amazon KDP account is completely free. You will need active email, address, phone number, bank information, tax form, W8 PIN. Once your account is created, you can upload your book from the KDP dashboard. Step 4. Upload your book. Now you have to upload all the information and files related to your book. Book file, cover file, title, description, keywords, category, etc. There are some rules you must follow while uploading files. If your book is a paperback, print books, you must upload a PDF file. You have to format the interior properly and export it as a final PDF. Because whenever an order is confirmed, KDP will print that exact file. If you upload a docs file, KDP will convert it automatically. But sometimes the layout gets damaged. So PDF is recommended for print books. On the other hand, if your book is a Kindle ebook, you must upload a docs file. KDP automatically converts docs into Kindle format. KPF format. PDF doesn't display properly on Kindle device because text refollow doesn't work. So PDF is not recommended for ebooks. Step 5. Set the price. Your royalty mainly depends on the price you set. Usually, KDP gives 70% royalty for Kindle ebooks and 60% royalty for paperbacks. Meaning, whenever your book sells, Amazon will give you a fixed commission. Step 6. Once your book goes live, it will start selling worldwide. At first, Amazon's review team will check your book. Once they approve it, your book will go live. And then something amazing happens. Your book becomes available in all Amazon marketplaces. People from any Amazon supported country can buy it. Whenever someone buys your book from anywhere in the world, Amazon prints it and ships it automatically. You don't have to do anything. Now, the important question, how do you earn from Amazon KDP? The biggest benefit of KDP is passive income. Once you upload your book, printing is done by Amazon, shipping is done by Amazon, customer support handled by Amazon. Your only job is to create and upload your book. Whenever someone buys your book, Amazon pays you 60 or 70% royalty. Every month, your royalty is sent to your bank account. Just imagine if one book is sell 30 copies per month and you earn $2 royalty per copy, you make $6 per month from only one book. If you have 10 successful books, that means $600 plus. If 20 books, that is $1,000 plus. If 50 books, that is 2,500 or more. But I'm not giving any income guarantee. Your earning fully depends on book quality, niche selection, keyword research, cover design, market competition, publishing consistency, and etc. Now, why is Amazon KDP so popular? Amazon KDP is currently one of the most popular online income sources worldwide. The reason is very clear. No investment needed. You don't have to spend money on printing, stocking, or shipping. Publish your book from home. You just create the book. Amazon handles everything else. Create passive income. Once your book is uploaded, it can earn you money for years. No need to be a professional writer. Books like notebooks, journals, and coloring books don't require advanced writing skill. But yes, you still need to be a creative. Sell worldwide. No matter where you are. People from the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and Europe can buy your book easily. Finally, Amazon KDP is a platform where with minimal effort you can build your brand, become an author, create passive income. The best part is you don't need to be a full-fledged writer to start successfully. With the right niche selection, professional design, and consistent uploads, you can earn well. Alright, if you want, in the next step, I can guide you in several ways, such as ideas for books that sell fast, how to write creatively, step-by-step guide to creating your first KDP book, best-selling keywords, or even a full course. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.